everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Meeting after a long time. So today in this video I am going to share with you all some of the sweet moments of my father's birthday. So yesterday was my father's birthday, and to share the moments with you all I have shooted the whole birthday celebration. So without getting more delayed, let's watch the celebration. So friends, how was the birthday celebration? Very amazing, right? As you watch the birthday explosion box, and this box I have prepared by my own. So have a look at this. So friends, now I will open and read each line of this beautiful gift, and I'll show you too. So here I have written open. So here I have written from Arya to Vikas Zambre, that's my father, and yesterday's date, that was 11 December, and I have written what is this, that is a happy birthday box. So now I'll open it. So now let us open the box. Whoa, cool, right? Yeah, have a look at this. Amazing, right? I took 2 days to complete this. But it's very easy. So now let us start from this upper mini box. So here is the ribbon, and we have to open it like this. Yeah, here are 3 chits. And the first chit this was the first chit. I am very lucky that I have you as my papa. Many more happy returns of the day. So this was the first chit. This is the second one. Happy birthday, my sweet dad. So let's move on to the third chit. That is this. Just go ahead and enjoy the gift. Open for more surprises. Okay, so I have written open. So let us start opening from this one. So on your special day, a small bunch of wishes. Okay, now open. Yeah. On this special occasion, I wish you may lead with a great future ahead. From your sweet Arya. And here is a picture of my father, and that I have written great personality. Again, happy birthday, Dad. So now let us close this and let us move on here. So I have written here open with your sweet smile. So okay, we have opened with a sweet smile. Okay, so come on. Thank you, Dad, for everything that you do for me. You are the best person on the whole earth. Yeah, it's very true. My father is the best. Okay. So next, that is be smiling. Okay. You are a perfect role model for me. Love you, Dad. Yeah, I love my dad very much. So this. Live a long and healthy life. I wish my father may live for a long time. So next is this. Today you fulfill my needs and tomorrow I will fulfill your dreams. So I wish I may fulfill all the dreams of my parents. So next is this. Last but not the least, open. Okay. So this is after this birthday, may you get success in all the fields in which you want to achieve. Okay. Come on, let's move on to next. Okay, this one is the third one. So, dear Dad, you worth for many gifts and I promise to give you all of them. Be kind and helpful always as you are now. You will get the fruits of it. Okay, I give best wishes to my father on his birthday. Okay, now this is the last one. So here is an envelope and again a small check. Okay. So yeah. Dad, you are a superhero for me because you never tried being a superhero, but you were busy in making me one of them. Happy birthday once again. Okay, so this was my gift explosion box, and here there were chocolates, but unfortunately they are finished for you. Sorry for inconvenience. Okay, now let us pack the gift again. So we are keeping all these 3 chits here once more, and we'll tie it off again. So friends, now we will close this gift box again so that whenever again my dad opens it, he may feel like a new one. Okay. So here is our packed gift box again. So if you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Click on the bell icon, and if you want to wish my father a long and healthy life and you want to wish him a happy birthday, please like the video and share the video.